South Goa District Administration has ordered the sealing of Gulistan Masjid located in the Gogol Housing Board area following a knife attack reported in the locality on Thursday. According to official sources, the decision to seal the masjid was taken as a precautionary measure to prevent any untoward incidents and to ensure maintenance of law and order in the area. The order was issued by the South Goa District Collector in the aftermath of the incident. Police authorities confirmed that the tight bandobast was deployed across the Gogol Housing Board area throughout the night to maintain peace and prevent escalation of the tension. Additional police personnel was stationed at strategic points and patrolling was intensified. Officials stated that the situation is under control and there have been no reports of further disturbance. Authorities are closely monitoring developments while counting investigations into the knife attack. The district administration has appealed to citizens to remain calm and cooperate with law enforcement agencies as precautionary measures remain in place.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.